on, everyone? I'm super excited because I'm having a good time with this, even with this long drive with the crew. Like I said, it's about 20 of us. You got Troy Showers in the front. You got Beaver, which is a great salesman at a car dealership at Wigmore. You got Shane actually leading us with his HG3. You actually got my homeboy Don at Venture TV 919 is all the way in the back. So we got two lifted vehicles, front and back, that are both black actually. And in the middle you have a bunch of sports cars, supercars. There's an R8 in front of me. You know, Troy's obviously driving a McLaren in front of me. And you know, a lot of Corvettes, and just phenomenal. It's just freaking phenomenal. I'm just really stoked to even be doing this today. So for all my subscribers as part of the channel, we made it. We made it to call out today. So I'm gonna have some good time. I'm gonna try to get, you know, a 12 today somehow. You know, I'm gonna try to get a 12, and hopefully it doesn't mess up the new wrap job on the car. That's for sure. But stay tuned, stay blessed. Thanks for being part of the channel. Let's have some fun today. I'll talk to y'all later. See you on the Speed 252. It's out. I was like, he was like, dude, I live 10 minutes away. You want to come out? I was like, I got a 6-hour drive. Yeah. I don't know if I can pull it out. But you was like, I gotta get home, so might be my time. Yeah, but he told me I'd do a burnout, so it wasn't bad. Yeah. It wasn't bad. He's cool. Nice guy, yeah. Obviously. Yeah. I mean, all of you guys are that, and I said it in my channel, so yeah, y'all definitely got a place to stay when you come down, man, for sure. No, dude, I appreciate it. I just won, baby.
All right, guys, Clarence, Seek on the Speed 252 is about to race no other than StreetSpeed717, pushing 1,000+ horsepower. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Very interesting.
What happens to this Corvette match race right now?
Hey, that was a good one, dude. That's fun. Mike. Why you do Seek on the Speed 252 like that, man?
Hey, he's doing fine. He's fine.
He's good. Man, that's still a good run, man.
No, that was fun, man. All right, everyone. So this is Seek on the Speed 252 checking in, obviously. I met a lot of good people here today. I mean, a lot of good people, a lot of good YouTubers. I met some subscribers, took photos with them, and it's been freaking amazing. To give you kind of a recap, I already kind of went down the track 4 times. You're guaranteed 5 times, but you can pretty much race as much as you want. So I'm gonna just freaking keep racing at this point until the Corvette says otherwise, which I hope is not anytime soon. My times have been 12.9, 12.6. One was 15. I couldn't get any traction. The other one was 13.9. I can't get any traction. It's cold out here. It's freaking 48 degrees. I really can't get any traction, but I'm gonna keep trying to do these burnouts, keep trying to have a good time, and I hope you're enjoying this video. This video may be a little bit long, I don't know. Right now I'm just talking off the limb because I enjoy talking to each and every one of you, so let's just keep having fun. Thanks for joining.
RPMs,
okay,
let off, it started rolling, and then I matched it.
That makes sense.
So, and I think I'm gonna do a little different this time because I was at a 12.1.
Okay.
And you know, my daughter is, you know, brand new, and I was telling her all that stuff, and she's doing it because she doesn't know any better, right? She doesn't know any different. She's doing exactly as I told her, and you know, she's hitting low 12s.
That's pretty awesome.
So I think that's what I'm gonna do too, is just a little bit more RPM and just roll off on it.
Okay.
And you'll launch a lot better.
Okay. When are you
Content as well, man. So what do y'all think about videos, or excuse me, events like this? Like
I think they're awesome.
This is my first one.
Great chance and opportunity for
us to get together.
people like to meet, and huge YouTubers to basically get in and meet with everyone.
Right.
We got DZR1.
You got a ZR1 on the way. You want to check that
Got it
out.
on order, man. I can't wait. Can't wait.
Someone no time run. Left lane busted him hard on the 60 foot.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today was a great day to call out. I'm currently actually following StreetSpeed717 McLaren out. His Z06 is in front of me. Then there's me, and then there's Parker from Vehicle Virgins. He's also behind me in my ZR1. We're actually headed back to Pennsylvania. The call out is over. I had a great time. It was definitely a great experience. I met a lot of awesome people. And it was just phenomenal. I met a lot of awesome fans, subscribers. I'm so happy that I met some subscribers that came out, from, you know, little kids to grown adults. You know, it was just something that was phenomenal. So I definitely had fun for sure. I gotta keep up with Mike and them. I gotta keep up with Mike and them in some way or form. But thanks for watching this. Thanks for pushing that play button. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a great time. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do. I would love to have you part of